So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie James, aka Wisma, and karibu sana to another video, another recipe. So today I'll be making chicken drumsticks, and I'm going to show you how I prepare and how I make it. So we are going to jump on it right away, and I'll show you my ingredients because we will marinate this first, and then yes, I'll show you step by step. So the first thing I have put together is salt, because I'll be mixing my all my spices here. And if this is your very first time to watch my videos, you're very much welcome. Consider subscribing if you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Yep. So I am putting in I am adding paprika, in my salt, and then I will add some black pepper. So feel free to add your favorite spices. So I'll go in with the black pepper. I also put in some curry powder. Then I'll put some onion salt. Then I'll put some chicken seasoning. And I'll mix this together. I feel like I did not get enough paprika. You don't have to go for the freezing paper. You can use any other paper, or you can use what do you call it? You can use bowl to mix your ingredients. But this one or another bag will be an ideal, because you'll be able to mix your spices in an awesome way. So after putting my mixed spices, I'll also put some Maggi soy sauce. A bit of it, depending on your family, or rather you're making how many drumsticks. I'll also use plain yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt. It's a plain yogurt, to also mix it. So now that we've waited for about 30 minutes, it is time now to see how our chicken looks like. You can see it is well marinated. Kila kitu inakaa kama iko bahari yake. So I'm just going to cut this I know the bag is reusable, but I'm not planning to reuse it. Let's just be here. Just doing this just to get a bit of the sauce. Now that I've finished now, this is how it looks like. I have preheat my oven 10 minutes at 250, depending na jiko yako iko na nini, unaweza eka the highest. The 250 is my highest, so I'm going to put it in the oven and then wait for 30. We cook for 30 minutes and turn it for like 15 minutes, and we see how it's gonna turn out. So let's do this. So this is how my drumstick chicken turns out. It looks yummy, it tastes yummy. So thank you so much for watching. If you tried, let me know in the comment section. I love you and I love you so deeply. See you on the next one.